so many stones here.
Yeah, a lot of stones. Wow.
Oh.
As you can see, there's a stream. I don't know if it's a stream or a river. So it's going this way and also going that way. So we just want to show you the beauty of Nairobi.
These stones are good maybe when you plant flowers.
Yeah.
Put around them.
So you can see some trash. But it is what it is. You know, the river where people dump the rainy season or the rain is coming. Some people try to get the trash into the water so they think the trash can. But sometimes it gets caught up and stuck somewhere. Maybe disturb somebody else. You know. So, but don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure we get my brother to 1,000 subscribers so he can be monetized. And don't forget to be watching those videos. Don't skip the ads.
Yeah.
You can hear the beautiful sound of
Water.
the water, you know.
Going until down there. And you know, previously,
Yeah.
this water used to have one way.
Okay.
Like it was going this direction.
This direction.
Yeah. But right now, I think maybe the water became too much. Then it diverted.
Okay.
Diverted to this area. You know. Yeah. So I don't know if you can walk the other side. Can you pass here?
Yeah, I think I can.
Yeah. Let's try.
If I fall in the river or the stream, I think I will swim.
I think there's a snake around here.
Snakes?
Do you hear that smell of like rice? Something like rice.
Yeah.
I think there's a snake around here.
Oh, we can just be here.
Let's not go to the other side. No, a snake, whenever you hear a smell like rice, something like rice, it's a snake which is
Around.
yeah, a big snake. Or if you hear a smell like a goat,
A goat.
Which is matured, like a he-goat.
Hiko, okay.
Yeah, you just know that's a snake, and it's a very, very big snake. Like around here, I know you cannot. Snake must be around here.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Because for that smell, I can tell. Yeah.
No, but the thing is, as long as where there is river and you see those thick forests, you know, you must find some 1 or 2 tree snakes. But if it's a beautiful scene. The scenery is great, it's nice. Even though there are some trashes, you can see the beautiful trees. Let me show you, you know, it's beautiful trees.
Is this acacia?
Acacia, what do you mean?
Acacia tree. This one which grow in a semi-desert or semi-arid. Acacia.
I can't tell really, maybe.
I think
But
it's
if you know
acacia.
the name of this tree, just drop the comments below and let us know what tree is this. So that's what I'm trying to show you. And you look at it really good, you know. It's a beautiful place. You know, the place is nice. You know.
It's cool.
Yeah, we're not today. Yeah, today we're not in Nyangoge, we're in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also maybe we have other videos in the city. We're going to share with you also the ones we put around the city. Yeah, we're going to share with you people. So we're trying to share every experience and we're trying to be a little bit flexible so that you cannot do videos every day. We're doing the videos in this place every day. We have to change a little bit, and also we take you around the adventure. And I hope you're going to be happy about this view because this is a very beautiful place. Even you can just check out over there. It's cool. Very cool. The only thing we're not sure is maybe if there are wild animals around here. That's why you're not going deeper to the forest, you know. So guys, kindly, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, just add your subscription. It will help somewhere, you know, because this channel, I started it from the scratch. Like I started from 1 subscriber and right now I'm at 372 subscribers. You can just imagine, that's a very, very big step. So that's why we have to take baby steps, and every day we're doing something, every day, and I know by time I'll be there. It's only that we're moving slowly but sure. You know, we don't have to rush things. Maybe just want to move in a genuine way and also by time we'll be right there at 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watching hours. And right now I'm approaching 1,000 watching hours. That's the good thing. So big up to everybody who always play my video until to the end. Your support is really appreciated, because when you support the video, that's a good thing. And commenting also positively is also a good thing, because it motivates me. But negatively, sometimes maybe I will not even reply. When someone comments negative, I won't reply anything. I'll just maybe like the comment and also maybe say thank you, because sometimes everybody has his own way of looking at things. Everybody looks things in different perspectives, so we're not perfect. Even me, I'm not perfect. I'm just trying my best to see to make myself not perfect, but to do much better, because I know every day we're making a step. We're trying to move with things. So and also my plantation there, I did a video, but I did not do a full video finishing up the plantation. But corn plantation or maize plantation, wherever you call it, but here we call it maize, but people maybe from somewhere they call it corn. But if you have also another name, you can drop on the comment section. So I managed to finish the maize plantation with the help of my brother Ansumana. We finished the plantation, and right now the maize is very good and looking very fantastic. That's why I'll be going back to the village very soon to make sure that we check on the farm. We're not going to stay to the city for a long time. Yeah, we're going to go back to the village to check out some things, some plantation, and also some other activities behind the scene. You don't have to share everything to the camera, so that people can know everything that you're up to. Not everybody wishes you well. Some people maybe are jealous of success or whatsoever. So sometimes you have to do things behind the camera, so that not everybody can know what you're up to. So we managed to finish the maize plantation, but right now what I'm just worried is the monkeys. But my father right there, he's always vigilant. He's always around home, and he's always checking out the corns to make sure that the monkeys don't interfere with the corns. Because when you can give them even 1 hour for them to enter in your farm, man, you won't like it, because they are very fast, and in terms of intelligence, their intelligence is very high. They know how to play with people. Like, they time you when you're out of the farm. They're just watching you. They just interfere with the farm. So guys, big up to everybody who has been tuned in. Kudos, much love wherever you are, and you can just drop a comment where you're watching this video from. Because me, we are shooting this video from Nairobi. People who are around Nairobi, maybe they're just wondering, hey, where is this place? Maybe you have never been to this place. This is just a place called Rongai, Ongata Rongai. So people who are watching my video maybe from around Nairobi, they can locate this place easily, and they can know where is this place. But I know much of the people, maybe they just pass through the road. They don't come to this beautiful place. And also my brother here, Ansu, what do you have to say, man? Because we are almost ending this video.
So thank you very much, my brother. It's a great pleasure, I mean, to be on your video, and also it's a great pleasure to come to the city of Nairobi. We'll be touring Nairobi, and there are other videos we're going to be showing to you on this platform, on this channel. But don't forget, Ansumana Poultry Farm is coming very soon. That channel is coming. We're working behind the scene. We're making sure things are working perfectly. The channel, everything there is going to be exclusively about educating people about farming, and also it's going to be entertaining, and not only entertaining, but we're going to be bringing things that people want to learn, and maybe people want to replicate what we are doing on our farm. And if you want to do it somewhere, it's up to you. You know what I mean? We're here to share our knowledge. There is no reason for me to keep everything in my head. We don't know what will happen. I passed away or I go, then I go with that knowledge. So I don't want to go with the knowledge. I want to make sure I leave the knowledge with other people, and also they can also learn. And also shout out to farmer Dr. Daniel Masamba, who is in Uganda. He's my mentor. He's my visionary. He's the guy, if I'm doing farming today, I never wish of getting into farming, really, to be specific, more of poultry farming. So he kind of like gave me that motivation. I saw his vision, I saw his mission, what he's all about and what he wants to do, and his focus. You know what I mean? So shout out to Farm Up. Go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, and also put the notification button on. So at any time he drops a video, his name is Dr. Daniel Masamba. He has a very good story to tell. If you watch the video from the start and to the end, you can learn a lot from it. If I'm a farmer today, it is because of Dr. Daniel. That's why I'm a farmer today, a poultry farmer. So as I said, we ride in Nairobi, but here in a very beautiful place, the river or the stream, we see a lot of stones. Nature is just fantastic. Nature is just fabulous. You know what I mean? You want to be here. Even though we left the village, we're back in the city, but this scenario, this environment here actually depicts that, hey, it looks like a village. You know what I mean? So please go to this channel and subscribe. And don't forget, subscribe also to Gentle's channel, subscribe to Mayani's channel, subscribe to Sigano's channel, subscribe to everybody's channel. We have to show love. It's all about positivity. There's nothing about negativity. You know what I mean? We need positive vibes. We need people who can drop those good comments. People who we can, like, you know what I mean, listen and watch their comments, give good advice. So this way, that way, this way, you know what I mean? We listen to those advices and we see if they are worth it, then we take it, you know. So don't forget, subscribe to my brother's channel. So as I told you, there are other videos we already shot on our way coming, and also those videos we're going to put them out so we can show you some of those videos. And also don't forget, we are farmers. Doesn't mean we have to be on the farm. Doesn't mean we stay on the farm. Doesn't mean we are dirty. No, sometimes we get ourselves out of the farm. We come to refresh our brain. We come to refresh our memory, rethink, process other things that we're supposed to be doing. We recalibrate. They call it recalibrate. And see, when we go back to the farm, you know what I mean, things are falling in place and things are being done. So behind the scene, we're working on some good things. Trust me. Very soon, the channel will be launched. But we're just trying to see that we put in some other few things together. So the sooner we launch Ansumana Poultry Farm, man, you'll be the first people to have it. It's going to be exclusively about educating people, teaching people how to be a farmer. If you want to be a farmer, what are the steps? What are the things you need to do? A lot of things we're going to be talking about on the farm. We're coming up with that particular, you know what I mean, topic to people who are watching this channel. So without much ado, as you can see, I'm here with my brother Gichoro. It's all about support. There's nothing else we can do. We're not asking for money. We're not asking for nothing else. The only thing we're asking for what? Hit the like button and subscribe. Your subscription is the only money, you know what I mean, we're asking for. We're not asking for any other fund to say, hey, support us financially with this, support us this. No, we are, as long as we have 4 hands, we have 2 feet, and we can see, we can hear, we can listen, our brains are functioning. It's our responsibility to make sure we go out, work hard, make sure we try to get some few things, put bread on the table for ourselves to make sure things are working. So don't get it twisted like, hey, no, this person is seeking for this fund, or we are seeking for you to send money for us. No, that's not what we're here to do. We're just here, you know what I mean, to share what we do on our daily based activities, what we do on our farms. When we leave the farm, we go out of the farm, what we do. That is all we want to share with you people. It's not we are requesting for anything. No, that's not what we are here to do. But the only request we're asking for, go and subscribe to Gichoro's channel and put the notification bell on. So at any time he drops a video, you know what I mean, you'll be the first person to get those videos. So you can see it's a beautiful scene, a beautiful place. We're here to show you this beauty of Nairobi. It's another side of Nairobi. You know, Nairobi is a big city. Very, very big city. I don't know if it's had a population of 10 million or how many million of people. So the city is kind of like subdivided into different areas. But it's all fall under one category, which we refer to as what? The Nairobi city. So as you can see, we're showing you these beautiful places. We're not only going to be on our farms or doing things there or this or that. No. You know, they say all work and no play make Jack a dog, but sometimes we come, we recalibrate, we have fun, enjoy ourselves. Then we go back to the bush and do what we're doing as a farmer. So without much ado, I don't have much to say. That's all I'm going to say to you. Thank you once more, wherever you are watching from, in Jamaica, Kenya, Somalia, Sudan, Morocco, Nigeria, Liberia, Sierra Leone, West Africa, East Africa, North Africa, South Africa, the Caribbeans, wherever you're watching from. Well, thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate. Normally, we don't comment on negative things. People be giving some negative comments, you know what I mean? We don't want to like talk on negative things. We all here talking about what? Positivity. Even though there are some 1, 2, 3 shenanigans, you know what I mean? But that's part of life. In life, you have to expect those things. don't think that everything is going to be smooth or perfect like that throughout the way. You must meet some hurdles, you must meet some issues, some problems, but as a human being, it's up to you how you deal with them, how you handle them, and how you forge ahead in life. So as I said, we're not going to go in the gutter with people, you know what I mean? We're not going to be doing the dog fights. No, we're not doing that. Any of those things, we're not doing it. The best we can do here is what? To be positive, not to be negative, bring positive vibes, tell people good things. That's all we need in lives. You know what I mean? We want to live that sanity life, not a life that is full of drama. So we're here to kind of like, you know what I mean, do our own thing. We're here to have some business meetings, some few meetings that we, you know what I mean, we're having. But shout out to everybody. The Last Man Standing Gentle, go and subscribe to his channel and make sure you get him to 10,000 subscribers. He's one of the greatest people in the village, doing his own thing, his own way, building his house, you know what I mean, in the genuine way. That's all we need in the village. Work genuinely for things, not scamming people or not doing things that is not calling for. You know what I mean? It's not going to benefit you because it won't last long, you see. So I don't have much to say, but greetings to everybody. Take your coffee, cup of tea, whatever you're taking, and watch this video. Enjoy this video. I'm out for now. Thank you. God bless you, and God bless your family.
Brother Ansu, this is the first time to be here at around here, so I hope you have enjoyed also the view of this place, though maybe people dump the dustbin here, but yeah, you know, but it's just a good place to be, you know. Free up your mind, relax, have some clean air, you know, all of those things. So let me take this opportunity to end this video right here, because there's a place also we have to go to check on some few things. So allow me to end this video here, and we're gonna be seeing each other very soon. And big up everybody who has been watching this video until this far. May the God bless you and your families. Bye bye.